Hey, I want to welcome everybody to the channel. I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of some features that I've added. Definitely feel free to like and subscribe. So I have added a local large language model, Tiny Llama, to the Discord bot that I'm using, Quantumx, as a Q&A bot, basically, which can just answer questions about definitions, some slight reasoning, just to show what is possible with Discord bots and the proper API structure. Fairly fast response time, not lightning fast, basic answer for sure. But it's giving you the information you need to dig deeper. So you can ask questions, mostly good with technical questions right now. I'm basically just using the model as a library of information because all large language models, small language models are trained on a set amount of data and like general data. So they have a lot of use cases for definitions. So you can ask questions as far as like define this word and get a pretty fast answer. Obviously, you can patch in bigger models that can do more than just basic Q&A, but I just wanted to show what was possible with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Python is a programming language developed by the Python Software Foundation. It is a widely used and popular programming language that is widely used for web development. Basic. Still have the same features. You can crack a joke, which I personally like. I like Chuck Norris jokes too. Another joke. I like that one. Can do some wisdom, some words of wisdom. I like that one. But shout out to those who know. If you know, you know. Can do some motivation. Some motivation. Threw some Dragon Ball Z ones in there. That wasn't Vegeta though. That was Goku. Gotta change that. Let me see. I think that was Goku. I might have to go back and look. I'm pretty sure it was Goku, but it may have been Vegeta. I thought it was Goku. Let me know. If you know, comment. Well, I'll drop in the comments if I can find out who it was. All right, we still got the learn feature. So this is what I like. This is the virtual classroom coming into fruition here. So this is a little piece I wrote up with an LLM that I make literature with and a lot of other stuff, content, a lot of stuff like that. So just to test out the infrastructure of everything. Plus it's a nice little read. It's talking about patterns. So it's talking about how patterns can be used to gain an edge in business and things like that. How can analytics and pattern recognition help small business? A vague question, just to see, with this model, it pays to be specific with the question. But like I said, it's really just for Q&A, so to give definitions. But what I'm trying to display here is within a virtual classroom, you can drop content with the bot. You can allow people to drop content with the bot. Then they can ask questions to the bot, and the bot can tailor it to what they're asking. And with larger models that have a larger context window, you can give the bot the context it needs to answer in-depth questions. And like even here, that was a 25, 30 seconds response from a basic model, and you're getting the information that you need. Okay, so it's really telling you like that's an in-depth answer right there, And just to show the bot is still connected to an API that I maintain, a database of information. So it's like a library. So I can look up players, teams, and get a breakdown, like the averages, what they're averaging. This is accurate as of yesterday before today's games. Home away splits. I can even do team lookups. Like it's really expansive. It's really expansive. So I want to work with people on this. I want to build things that are going to help communities, help people, help business, make a lot of money, of course, but also build solid infrastructure for the future, some passive income, you know. I hope that everybody who's seeing this will hop into Discord with no spam or malicious activity and keep it positive, and we all